11:11. True love is coming. You deserve a slow love. Uncomplicated, no rush, sure. Stable, consistent, you deserve that love. You deserve someone that's sure of you, that you are sure of. Type yes to affirm. Source is saying to you today, whatever you need to reach the next level of your growth will be provided for you. Take a leap of faith in the direction of manifesting your deepest dreams. The universe will always support you when you step outside your comfort in pursuit of your higher purpose. Declare to Source through your actions, words, and writing exactly what you want. You do not have to know how it will all unfold. Miracles will transpire in your favor. Type yes to claim it and also subscribe God's Manifesto 1111.